All right, so let's talk about today about arithmetic sequences. Before defining arithmetic sequences, I gotta define what is the meaning of the word sequence. Basically, sequence is an order list of numbers, like this one over here is 5, 10, 15, and so on. They are in order. And each of these numbers is a term. And each of these terms have a position. Like, for example, this one is the first position. This one is the third position, and so on, right? And this one, well, we don't know that one, but let's call it an nth position. Now, what is an arithmetic sequences? Okay, well, in an arithmetic sequence, okay, the difference between each position is gonna be the same. Like you go from here to here, well, it is a +5 right there. From here to here, I'm adding 5. To here, from here to there, again, it's the same, it's constant. And from here to there, it's another one right there. This same number here is called this, basically this difference is called the common difference, right? So in this case, the common difference is 5. And that's what you need for an arithmetic sequence. So they have to have the same constant all the time here, same thing, okay? Same difference. So knowing that, I want you guys to try the next problem here. Okay, let me cover that one there. I'm asking to write the next 3 terms of the arithmetic sequence. We got -7, -14, -21, -28. So I want to know what is my next 3 numbers. So pause the video, see if we're able to figure it out. All right, I hope you guys got it. First of all, before writing the numbers, you need to find out what is the common difference, right? So let's take a look at the common difference. From -7 to -14, we are subtracting 7. And from -14 to -21, we are subtracting 7 again. And from -21 to -28, we are subtracting 7. So my common difference is basically -7. So I need to be, adding -7. So from here to here, -7. So -28 minus plus -7 will be a -35. And then another -7. From -37 plus -7, that will be a -42. And then the next one here, -42 plus -7, that will be a -49. And those are my 3 next numbers. All right. So I want you guys to try the next one. Okay, I want to guys find me the common difference first, and then write me the next 3 terms in the sequence. Pause the video, see if you're able to do it. All right, so let's take a look at it right here. So from -12 to 0, well, I'm adding 12. 0 to 12, I'm adding 12. So it's common, right? 12 to 24, I'm adding 12. I know it's a arithmetic sequence because we're adding here the same number. And the common difference is gonna be adding 12. So I'm gonna be adding 12 more here. So 24 plus 12 is gonna be 36. That's pretty easy. Another 12. 36 plus 12, that will be 48. And another 12. 48 plus 12 is gonna be 60. Simple, as that. These are my next three positions or terms in the arithmetic sequence. All right, I hope it's easy. Let's take a look at something else. Now let's take a look at this graph over here. It says graph the arithmetic sequences 4, 8, 12, and 16. Okay, I don't have any graph paper, but this is the best I can do. The thing over here is, hey, I only have a numbers. I don't have a set of two numbers like core x and y. So what will be my x and what will be my y if I only have a sequence here? Well, your x, okay, your x will be basically the position of the number. So that will be the position. And then we got the y, right? Which is basically the terms, okay? The y will be the terms. Now, sometimes you call it y, or you can call it 8 of n, and the x, they can call it n, the position. So you can call it this, or x, or y. They are interchangeable. So, like for example, this is my first number, right? So position will be 1. This is my second number. The position will be 2. This is my third number. The position will be 3. And this is my fourth number. The position will be 4. So 1 is going to be 4. 2 is going to be 8. 3 is going to be 12. And 4 is going to be 16. And now I have my coordinates. Now I can graph it. 1, 4 will be about right there. 1, 4. 2, 8. 2, 8 will be about right there. 3, 12. 3, 12 will be about right there. 4, 16, right? 4, 16 will be right there. Notice here, okay, and here, we're changing by 1, and here, my common difference is 4. We're going by 4. Also notice that if you connect these lines over here, right, you got a linear function, a linear equation there. And later on, in the next video, we're going to learn how to write down the linear equation. But yeah, it's a linear function. And if you guys notice, my slope is going to be basically changing y over the changing x. So basically 4 over 1. You go 4 up, 1 to the right. But we're going to see that in the next video, probably. Okay? Simple. Any questions here? Right. So now, let's take a look at the next problem here. I got already a graph there. And my question for you guys is, does the graph represent arithmetic sequences? Explain. So pause the video, see if you can, figure it out if it is a arithmetic sequence. All right. First of all, let's create a table so we organize the information. So I create a table. Again, I'm going to be creating the position, which is your n, or it could be your x's, right? Which is the input. We got the basically your terms, right? The term, which is IAN, and that will be your y's. All right, so we got 1, 15, 2, 12, 3, 9, 4, 16. Now we're gonna see if they have a common difference, right? And everything is in order. If the changes in the x's and the changes in the y is the same, is constant. So here we go, we go +1, that works. +1, that's the same thing, from 3 to 4, +1. So this is constant. Now we need to find out if this is constant, okay? 15 to 12, well, 15 to 12, we're subtracting 3. 12 to 9, we're also subtracting 3. And from 9 to 16, over here, okay, we are subtracting, oh, did I copy it wrong? Oh, it's not 16, sorry, it's 6, right? My mistake. From 9 to 6, we are subtracting 3. That was a mistake, that's a 6, not a 1. So we're going 1, 1, 1, constant, -3, -3, -3 is constant. So yes, okay, we got a common difference. The x's are constant always, the changing s is constant, the changing y is constant, it's a linear function. Yes, it's an arithmetic sequence. So let's write it down. Yes. The consecutive terms have the consecutive terms have a common difference in this case of -3, that will be for the terms, and also the positions also are having a constant change of adding 1. Okay, that was it right there, and I hope you guys do the assignment. Okay.